I went to Wellesley for 2 years and taught and found an extraordinary setting where I literally learned how to teach. And I learned that I loved teaching. I got a call from a person here at the University of Denver asking me to come for an interview. And I did not know what that was about. Literally, I had not applied for a job. I came, settled in, drove out here with the U-Haul, and then I had lunch with the chair of the economics department, who said, "You have not done anything like, you didn't buy anything recently, did you?" I said, "I actually bought my first new car, never had a new car." And he said, "You're at risk of losing your job in the next month." It was a little, it was sobering, to say the least. And I thought, okay, just do your work. But very, very soon after his appointment, it became clear, even to people like me, the lowest of the low faculty members, untenured assistant professors, that something was afoot, and it was a good thing. And during those early years, in the early 90s, I began to feel an affinity to the institution, which is not something that all faculty members easily develop. They have affinity to their professional associations and their scholarship. I totally understand that. But I thought we were on to something that was pretty exciting here. And the forward momentum was extraordinary. And I worked very closely with Bob Coombe as chancellor, and we really decided that now is the time to invest in the faculty in a substantial way in terms of both salaries, which we were frankly not competitive with the institutions that our candidates were getting offers from, or at least interviews at. And so we tried to bump those up, and we did. And I think that's what we tried to do in those years. We felt as though we could make some pretty bold moves, but we also felt that we needed the resources to do that. And we felt that in order to do that, there needed to be a good amount of shared governance with faculty and stakeholders, and certainly including the generous donors who were so much part of the renaissance of the university.